ROG's first Strix branded laptop is a full HD gaming rockstar complete with an amazing screen and booming speakers to bring the noise. The Asus ROG Strix GL502, on the other hand, strikes the perfect balance between portability and power. In its 1.2-inch frame, this 15.6-inch laptop comes loaded with a NVIDIA GTX 1070 with 8GB of video memory, a card we're used to seeing in 17-inch monster machines like the Gigabyte P57X. Asus has slowly been edging its way away from the done-to-death black and red color scheme found on most gaming laptops. Instead of crimson highlights, the GL502 has orange trim accenting its black paint job. It's not a grand departure like the titanium and copper design found on the Asus ROG GX700 and ROG G752, but it's a start. On the rear edge of the GL502, you'll find two thick heatsinks, and they're not just painted orange for show. This large exhaust system pushes out a constant stream of air hot enough it could double as a space heater. Internally, the laptop features Asus' new dual thermal design, which runs two separate lines of copper heat pipes and fans to cool the CPU and GPU individually. While NVIDIA promised its new Pascal architecture would deliver gaming laptops with 30% better battery life, we're not seeing the claims hold true with the Asus GL502. Lasting for a maximum of 2 hours and 52 minutes while playing Guardians of the Galaxy on loop at 50% brightness, the Pascal-powered Strix runs out of juice much faster than its Maxwell-equipped predecessor.